What's up, people, and thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today we have a treat, people. We are going to make burgers. Yes, that's right, we're gonna make some burgers. But guys, we're gonna be doing vegan burgers here today. I know, a lot of you guys are gonna be saying that if it ain't beef, it ain't a burger. But trust me on this one. I don't believe that anything could replicate or replace the flavor and the texture of meat. I personally feel most of the times, or I should say majority of the times, it's all psychological. It's all in our head. We convince ourselves and make believe that this is just as close and as good as meat. Well, guess what? If it works, why not? If it helps you or prevents you to cut or try to eat meat as less as possible, more power to you. Why not? So today, that's exactly what I'm gonna help you do, is to create one of my favorite burgers, vegan burgers, made out of black bean. And you be the judge. I promise you, you will never look the other way if it's given to you on any given Sunday. You will never turn it away. I guarantee you, your taste buds will be satisfied at the end of the day.
And now we will grind 2 cups of mixed mushrooms and 1 whole red onion. Make sure you do not grind the mixture too fine. Leave a little bit of texture. Saute the mushroom and onion mix long enough until all the water from the mushroom evaporates, and then saute it furthermore until it's nice and caramelized. And now we will create that barbecue smoky flavor by simply adding a lit charcoal right in the center and igniting the smoke with a few drops of oil. Cover the pot with a tight lid for only 3 to 4 minutes. Rub a little water between your palms to avoid the patties from sticking to your hands. Roll the patty into a bowl and then simply flatten it out as per your thickness liking. One of the toppings will be the avocado spread, which will simply have one avocado and half a medium red chopped onion, which will be topped with diced red and yellow jalapenos. For additional topping, we will also be using some fresh sliced tomatoes that will be mixed in some fresh chopped coriander. And for the spread, we will be using a vegan soya mayonnaise, which will be mixed in a chipotle sauce to give it a nice smoky, spicy flavor.